Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are well and good. So today in this video we are going to do the recap of chapter number 2, more about keyboards. So let's start. So children, I don't have to tell you about a keyboard or what a keyboard is, because you all have seen a keyboard. A keyboard is a board with many keys. Various type of keys are there on the keyboard, with the help of which you give input to the computer, isn't it? Now the keyboard layout is called a QWERTY layout. Yes, the layout of the keyboard is known as the QWERTY layout. Why it is known as the QWERTY layout? Because the first row of the alphabetic keys, the keys are Q, W, E, R, T and Y. That's why from there the name of the layout becomes QWERTY layout, and so the name of the keyboard is also known as the QWERTY keyboard. Okay, now children, we all know there are 26 alphabets, isn't it? Now in our keyboard also there are 26 alphabet keys. Yes, there are 26 alphabet keys on our keyboard through which we can type anything on the computer. Okay, now along with the alphabetic keys there are also numeric keys or number keys. There are two set of number keys, children, on the keyboard. First set of number key is located just above the alphabet keys. As you can see here, the first set of number keys is just above the alphabet keys of the keyboard. See, these are the alphabet keys, and just above the alphabet keys the number keys are there. Okay children, now the second set of number keys is located just at the right of the keyboard, the right side of the keyboard. On the right side of the keyboard you can see here the number keys are there. This set of number keys are also known as the numeric keypad. Okay, one numlock key is over there, you can see here. This is the numlock key. With the help of this numlock key we can activate this numeric keypad. As we turn on this numlock key, the numeric keypad will get active, and if we again press the numlock key or we turn off the numlock key, then the keypad or the numeric keypad will get deactivated. Okay, function keys. The function keys are used to do specific work on the computer. To do some specific task in the computer we use the function keys. There are 12 function keys: F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, like this up to F12. Okay, so there are 12 function keys available on the keyboard. Backspace key. What is the backspace key? Children, you all know what is the backspace key. With the help of the backspace key you can delete anything just on the left side of the cursor. Yes, a cursor is there, so if you want to delete anything just on the left side of the cursor, you can delete it with the help of the backspace key. Okay, next is the delete key. Delete key is just the opposite of the backspace key. With the help of backspace key you can delete the character on the left side of the cursor, and with the help of delete key you can delete the characters that are on the right side of the cursor. Okay, the characters that are on the right side of the cursor could be deleted with the delete key. Okay, next is the spacebar key. Children, spacebar key is the longest key of the keyboard. Okay, now with the help of the spacebar we give spaces between the words. If we are typing any sentence or if we are typing any story, then we use this spacebar key to give space in between the words. Next is the enter key. Enter key, there are two enter keys on the keyboard. Okay, now with the help of this enter key we can move the cursor. To the next line, to the first of the next line you can move the cursor. Okay, so here it is told that the enter key is used to place the cursor just at the beginning of the next line. When you will press the enter key, the cursor will move to the next line, to the beginning of the next line. Okay. Next is the caps lock key. With the help of this caps lock key, we can turn on, if we turn on the caps lock key, then whatever you will type on the computer, that will appear in capital letter. If you are typing your name, or if you are typing your address, whatever you will type, all the letters of what you are typing will appear in capital. That's why caps lock key is used. And if you turn off the caps lock key, then the letters which you are typing will appear in small. Next is the shift key. There are also two shift keys on the keyboard. The shift key can be used for typing capital letters as well as upper characters of the keys. Some upper characters are there. You can type those upper characters with the help of the shift key, as well as you can type in capital letters by pressing hold. Press hold the shift key. If you press hold the shift key and if you type anything, then all the letters will appear in capital. So children, it was up to this. In my next video, I'll be telling you about some more keys on the keyboard. Till then, thank you.